Okay guys, with this video I will show you how to promote your CPA offers, how to promote any CPA affiliate program. Of course you can promote MaxBounty CPA offers, Perfly, or any affiliate or CPA network. With this video guys, I will show you the super target traffic that you can use to get unlimited, very target traffic to your CPA offers. So let's start. Of course, you can promote any affiliate program, not only CPA offers. You can use this traffic to promote your, let's say, ClickBank or Warrior Plus or any affiliate program. This method you called pop under or pop-up traffic. And with this method, I will show you exactly how this work, how to get real target traffic that convert to leads and sales. I will show you step by step. Okay, so for this video, I will choose this product, Smart Money Secret. There's two products that you can use. My favorite is Smart Money Secrets, and the sales is $45 for every sale. If you can make 2 or 3 sales, so you can make $100 to $150 daily using this traffic. So let's visit. I will show you the landing page.
When the mafia.
This is the landing page. This is a very convert landing page, and the customer will put his email here and buy this product. This product is target USA only. Okay, so that's the way, that's the reason I will show you a very target USA traffic that you can use to target this product in USA visitors. Okay, so our product is fantastic. Let's go here and click. You can see select creative type. You can see here contextual and get tracking code. Okay, this is your link. Let's take it, copy, and close. Okay, now let's go to the traffic, very target traffic. You can see here pop under. Okay, pop under traffic, and this the way we will use to promote our product. Okay, pop under ad. Okay, you can see here create pop under ad. You can use also a mobile pop under ad. I don't recommend to use this option. I like more this option, create pop under ad. So let's visit. And do you remember our target is USA? Okay, let's check again. You can see here United States. Okay, so our target is USA, United States. Next. Now this part is very important to use. You can see daily traffic estimate is over 200,000 visitors. Okay, this is a lot of traffic, and you can see the average speed is 0.0033. So we will take this and put here, okay, and we will add here 4, okay. So you can see here 0.0033. We will put here 0.0034, okay, and click here next. Okay, so our link we will put here. This is our link, and remember to we already have http// here. So let's delete this from here. Okay. Our product name is Smart Money Secret. So let's take it and put here. This is our product name, sorry, and this is the link. Okay, very important. This is the link, and you have to delete from your link the http//. Our traffic is not adult traffic. If you want to promote your adult traffic, so you have to click this option. But our product is not adult traffic, and click next. You can choose no daily limit, and you can choose set daily ad budget. I recommend to use $5 or $10. It's up to you. Okay, I will choose $5 and next. Now all we have to do is wait to get approved. Sometimes it's take 24 hours to get approved, so we have to wait, and when we get approved we will get unlimited traffic daily, very target to our product daily. That's the way you can promote your CPA offers or any CPA network using Advertiser. Don't worry, I will put the link below this video, or you can go to Google and search for Advertiser, and you will find the link, and you will get unlimited, very super target traffic to your CPA offers. Okay, that's all guys. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any question, please type your comment below this video. I will be happy to help everyone who's want to make money online. If you want to succeed online, I will be happy to help. Thank you again, and have a good day. Thank you very much.